Welcome back to Hacker Warehouse TV. In this toolkit tutorial, we are going to be setting up our Proxmark3 RDV4 for use with the RRG RFID Tools Android App. The RFID Tools app will require you to flash a special variant of the firmware provided by RRG. This can be downloaded via the link shown here. With the compressed file in our Downloads folder, we are going to create a new directory for this version of the firmware to live. Now extract the compressed firmware to this directory. Note that this directory is complete as is and does not require compiling before you flash your device. If this is your first time flashing the Proxmark3 RDV4 from your system, make sure to remove or disable Modem Manager before proceeding. Failing to do so before flashing may result in a critical error, potentially bricking the device. Now that we're ready to flash the firmware, cd into the appropriate directory. This will reflect the name you gave to the initial directory created in this tutorial, followed by the directory name generated during the extraction of the compressed file. Flash the bootloader image to the device. Once the bootloader is successfully flashed, proceed with the full image. You will see a printout of the Iceman ASCII art when this is complete. You are now ready to install the app to your Android device and connect it to your Proxmark3 RDV4 using Bluetooth. Open Google Play and search for RRG RFID Tools. Download and install the app using the Android interface. Open the RFID Tools app. Apply requested permissions to device. Turn your Proxmark3 RDV4 device on and supply power to the Bluetooth module using the dip switches on the blue shark. Tap the Proxmark3 RDV4 device in the app interface. Locate the Proxmark3 from the list of the available devices. If it is the first time you are connecting this device to your PM3, it will appear in the New Devices list. Connect to the device. Use the 4-digit security key provided by the app to securely connect to the device if this is the first time you are connecting. Access device functionality through the Red Team Terminal or the Reader UI interfaces. The Red Team Terminal gives you access to every function found using the PM3 client in Linux, while the Reader UI allows you to interact with NFC tags and cards. Stay tuned for more tutorials on using the Proxmark3 RDV4 on Hacker Warehouse TV. To purchase one for yourself, or to check out other great RFID tools, make sure to visit our online store at hackerwarehouse.com. Thanks for watching this video, and remember, keep it between the laws, or at least between the lols.